Welcome back. Imagine knowing the exact stock price updates in real time directly in your Telegram without lifting a finger. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate the stock market alerts using n8n, an automation tool that makes this insanely easy. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your own bot sending live stock prices straight to your Telegram. Make sure to hit the subscribe because we are turning you into a stock market automation specialist. So here now we are trying to execute the step and we have got the Tesla stock price here. I hope this video will make you get started with the n8n automation flow. If you are a complete beginner and you don't have any knowledge, yes, this video will be very much helpful for you. Even if you are watching this video for the first time, I suggest you to go through this video so that you can set up your n8n flow and can easily get started with this flow. The first step what we need to do is we need to make our Telegram bot ready. So you need to go to your Telegram application and try searching bot further here, and the first thing what you need to do is click on the new bot creation here. So once you click on the new bot, right, it will ask you the name for your bot, and later it will also ask you for the username. And once you provide the username, right, your bot will be created and this will be the URL for your bot. So here I have created my bot, and this is the first step where you need to configure your Telegram. And once you got the bot right, you will be also being provided with the bot token. Try to copy that and try to run that particular bot token in this particular URL displayed on the screen. So replace your bot token here and try to get the updates, and also try sending a message to your bot so that you will be getting the chat ID. I'll be providing this particular link in the source code here, so the link will be provided in the description section. And here you can see this is how you need to request the API call, and in response you will be getting the chat ID, and try to copy that particular chat ID and the bot token that will be useful for our n8n configuration. And also I am using Alpha Vantage for the stock price updates. So here I am getting a free API key. Again, it's not any recommendation. You can just go through your source and find the APIs from where you will get the stock price updates. And here's our output here. This is how I got the Tesla stock price, and in the start of the video I showed you like how it displayed on the Telegram. And now coming back to the n8n workflow, let's try creating the first step. I'm going to add a manual trigger for now, and again you can just make it, and also you can add any other trigger over here, a schedule or a web call hook on a form submission. So all these things are there, but we are just starting for the beginner guide, so I'm just adding a manual trigger. And the next thing what I'm going to add here is the Telegram. Here let's try to add the Telegram, and I'm trying to send a message. So send a text message, and the next thing what I'm going to do is like to add the credential. And what is this credential here? I have said you right, in this particular step you will be getting the bot token. Try to add that particular bot token over here and try saving it. That's it. And once it is tested, you can see the connection tested successfully, and proceed with the next step. And if you are facing any issue in this particular scenario, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to help you. And now our Telegram bot is now added here, and also you got the text now, and I'm providing the sample text like hi here, and let's try to execute this. So here I am placing my chat ID and try to execute this particular step, and here you can see I have got the hi message on my Telegram bot. So now the Telegram is now successfully connected to our n8n. The next step what we need to do is like trigger the API call, fetch the stock price and try to filter it out and send that particular message to the Telegram. And now go back to the canvas. So here the first step is the manual trigger, the second step is the telegram here. So this is a straightforward thing. Once you execute the workflow, you will be getting the hi message here. But this is not what we wanted. We need to have one more step here. So I am removing the link here. And the next step is I'm going to add HTTP request here. And in this particular HTTP request, now make sure you provide your API call URL. And I have provided the alpha advantage URL with the API key, and let's try to execute this particular step now. And here you can see I have got the stock price, and the next thing what we need to do is we need to connect the things. So here is my HTTP request and I need to connect it to the Telegram, and also I need to remove this link, and from the manual trigger it should call the HTTP request, and from there I need to get this text message. So here execute the step, we have got the output. Now let's try to connect these particular things. Now when you try to execute the flow, right, here you can see still we are getting the high message itself, but the point is we need to get the stock price, right? If you can see everything is been working fine, but we are not getting the message. What is the issue is you need to go to the Telegram here, and instead of hi here, and also you can see even we got the input to this particular Telegram. So here from the HTTP request, right, this is the output, and this output is being received here as an input, but the final message what we are getting is hi. So the point here you need to notice, instead of hi here, let's move to the expression here, and here I'll be providing the expression as well in the source code here. So this is the expression which will filter out the required parameters here and try to show you. And let's try to execute this, and here you have got the stock update now. So once come back to the canvas here, and this is your flow, and if you try to execute the flow, right, so the request is made and the message is triggered to your Telegram bot. So this is how you create your own stock market bot on your Telegram, and this is a very basic example I am showing you out here. You can try with WhatsApp or any other service as well similarly, and also you can make this particular API request as well through any other source. I just want to show you how the basic skeleton looks like when you wanted to make the n8n automation. I hope you found this video interesting. If yes, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.